So in this Realtor.ca tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to find triplexes for sale here on Realtor.ca. So once you open up Realtor.ca, what I want you to do is to go to the bottom left beside saved, make sure that the search tab is selected. Once that is done, select your location. So if I wanted to go, what's a good example of a place? I'll go with Saskatoon. I'll change it up, Saskatoon in Saskatchewan. Once that is done and you have your area selected, go to the top right and press on filters. Make sure that residential and for sale is selected, then scroll down to building. Under building type, just scroll down to where you see triplex right here. Once that is done, as you can tell, I actually have no results right here. So if I wanted to change the location, we'll go back to Edmonton. Maybe this will be a better example. Go to the top right, same thing. Scroll down, not property type, building. Then press on, as I mentioned before, triplex right here. See if there's any listings. There's 4. Press on search right here. Now what you're going to be looking for is triplex units that are for sale. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to find triplexes for sale on Realtor.ca. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.